and all the participants who are assembled here in this elite forum of NCQC at Nagpur. We are Team Shamyu. We are here to showcase our case study presentation in quality circles with a problem statement of low automation in pipe welding in ship welding. As this is a quality circle, we have followed a 12-step approach, and this is the contents and flow of presentation. We are L&D Defense IC under the brand name of L&D. L&D is India's largest conglomerate, professionally managed, having interest in EPC projects, high-tech manufacturing and services. This is the complete portfolio of L&D, and you can see defense engineering, and we are the torchbearer for Atmanirbhar Bharat in the field of defense engineering. These are the 7 locations across which Defense IC operates, and we are from this Vizag, Andhra Pradesh location. Namaste, myself Bharadwaj, facilitator.
Namaste sir. Myself Kiran. I am the team leader of this quality circle.
Namaste sir, I am Mohammed. I am from building department.
Namaste sir, myself Anupuna from planning department.
Namaste sir, I am Naveen from production department.
And our quality circle name is
Team Shamyu.
So before getting into the presentation, so let us have a quick look about the piping in the naval platforms. So if you see piping in naval platform, it starts with design, construction, trials, commissioning and maintenance. And further, the overall scope consists of 50% of piping alone. The rest 25 and other 25 belongs to occupies electrical and structural parts. In the piping, so we have a stainless steel piping which is mentioned as SS. Alone occupies 68% of the overall piping materials. So overall, we have 30,000 pipes contributing 65,000 weld joints spanning a length of 31 kilometers weld seam length. And at present, we are before the implementation of quality circle, we are at 20% automation, and the automation we are doing using the orbital welding machine. So let us understand what is orbital welding machine. So orbital welding machine is an advanced automation welding machine process wherein the tungsten weld rotates around the weld pool, around the circumference of the pipe, enabling it to make a complete weld joint. So you can see in the second picture where the penetration is completely happening inside the pipe weld joint. So also this is a broad schematic which says the welding equipment, the regulators, cylinders and other accessories.
Even a 1,000 mile journey starts with a single step. Our presentation of quality circle started with identification of problem using brainstorming.
In orbital welding process, we have identified 26 problems and categorized them into category A, B and C on the basis of loss of production time, problem discussed in the shop floor and safety of working personnel. And we have used the sources like department logbook and inputs of area in charges. We can see the list of all 26 problems and their categories.
Now, after identifying a bunch of problems, we went on to selecting the problem using ABC analysis, criteria matrix and brainstorming.
After identifying that there are 26 problems, we divided them into the category A, B and C. Category A.
Why don't we explain what is category A, B and C?
Yes, category A are the problems which can be solved within the team, which are 19 in number. B are the problems which require support from other departments, which are 5 in number. And C are the problems which require management approval, which are 2 in numbers. As we are going with category A, we want to solve the problem within our team. We have used criteria rating matrix to rate all the problems, and we have used a scale of 1 to 5. 1 which is having very low impact and 5 which is having very high impact. In total 4 categories, which is safety, productivity, quality and cost. And the total score was arrived for all the 19 problems. As you can see, that problem number 8, fitting to pipe joints, not possible due to very low straight length available, had the highest score of 128.
Now, this is our problem statement for the quality project. We have started on 10th May 2022 with a target of increasing automation from 20% to 40%. Now, a very different problem is half salt. So, we went on to define the problem using Gantt chart and flow diagram.
Here we can see our milestone chart and our team targeted to complete within 13 months.
The flow diagram shows the sequence of activities in piping fabrication. It starts with template and finishes with final installation inspection. The highlighted 3 stages, building preparation, setup and welding, comprises the 25% of cycle time. And the execution challenges are high skill manpower required for manual welding.
So why do we need high skill manpower here?
No, why? Because we have different pipes with low diameters and low thickness, and we need to work in very confined spaces, and we have a very stringent criteria, acceptance criteria in NDT checks, and we have different types of fittings with very high volumes.
And the second challenge is difficult to implement automation because of minimum 8 minimum 19 mm length is required for connecting orbital welding.
Now we went on to analyze the problem as the devil lies in the details by using 4W and 1H technique.
In code of one technique, our team has questioned among ourselves like what is the problem?
The problem is low straight length of the fitting, because of which we are unable to do the automation of welding.
Where is the problem?
Doing welding of system piping.
Where is the problem?
While welding pipe to oiler joints using the orbital welding system.
Who is affected?
Production plants and welding department.
How it occurs?
Due to the challenges and limitation of the orbital welding head, so let us understand the orbital welding. To carry out any welding, we need to clamp both the connecting items using the collets so that the tungsten electrode sets properly at the joint. Now, let us understand the size of the problem. There are around 10,000 stainless steel joints which are needed to be welded onto. Pipe to pipe joints are very easy to weld because there is always straight length available. Why? Pipe to oiler joints are very difficult because straight length may not be available. So these 2 and 9 zeros joints was our focus area for our quality circles.
Every cause instigates an effect. Our journey continued with cause and effect analysis using fishbone diagram and the brainstorm.
And we have identified 5 major causes for undertaking which are leading to difficulty in orbital welding. So they are the error position difficulty, the limitation of the size of the machine, the flared pipe joints are unable to weld with the machine, and it is difficult to maintain the setup parameters. And also this single thickness cannot be welded using the orbital welding system.
Further brainstorming, we identified and listed further probable cases. Some of the cases are high setup time required and not applicable for CS and copper titanium materials.
After identifying all the causes in detail, we use the Ishikawa fishbone diagram, which is also known as cause and effect diagram, and categorize all the problems into material, man, machine, and method. Further, after finding the first level root cause, to arrive at the real root cause, we need to go to the level 1, level 2, and level 3 of the probable causes. Hence, for men, we went for resist to learn new technology, then lack of training. For machine, open root joints are not possible. Pneumatic machine leads to fluctuation in machine speed. For method, high setup time is required. Non-standard joint welding is difficult. While for materials, there is difficulty in CS pipe welding, and orbital welding is not possible for non-ferrous joints.
Now these are the causes which were listed, but our aim is to find the root cause. So we went on to using average ranking method and identified that electrode positioning difficulty in available head having the highest score is the root cause. Hence the root cause is defined for the problem. Now let us see, once the root cause has been identified, let us see what the data speaks. So using data analysis and Pareto chart and histogram, we went on to analyze the data.
We are not able to weld pipe to fitting joints which are having straight length less than 90 mm. So we decided to study all the welded fittings which are 420 in numbers. As you can see, we have carried out detailed analysis, and the summary is there are total 6 categories which are shown here with their fitting lengths and their OD ranges. Now the 2890 joints were further divided into the stratified into the straight length, and we could find that the maximum chunk was in the straight length less than 40 mm. These was further studied using the histogram method, and we could find that 77% of the joints were lying below 90 mm, which was our focus area. To further solidify our root cause, we did Pareto analysis also, and we could find that majority of the vital few included straight length less than 90 mm. Hence, using histogram and Pareto analysis, which are very good quality circle tools, we could finalize that if we focus on the 3 to 18 mm straight line and arrive at a solution, we will be absolutely able to increase our automation percentage.
Now we moved on to an important aspect of the problem solving, that is development of solutions by using criteria matrix and brainstorm.
Here we have used the round robin method in brainstorming, and we have involved like senior welders, welding engineers, production engineers, shop floor managers, and we have come to a solution like the best one is the one which satisfies all the 5 criteria like ease of implementation, cost savings, effectiveness, innovation, and time technique. And we can see some of the alternate solutions which are identified here.
So the first alternate solution identified is use of open type orbital welding system instead of a closed welding system.
Can we implement this?
No.
Why?
Why? Because the disadvantages stored here are more than the advantages. Like onboard usage is not possible due to high envelope size, fixturing is difficult, cost of procuring the open welded is very high, and not possible for diameter less than 25 mm, and hence
Rejected.
And the second solution what we have identified is to use separate weld heads each for different site length sizes.
Can we implement this?
No, we cannot
Why?
implement because here also the disadvantages are relatively high. Here the cost of microhead procurement for different sizes are very high, and the microheads are sensitive because it can work up to 40 amps only, and lower site length availability is also difficult in the microhead, and hence
Rejected.
and third solution what we have identified is to use customized cords as per the fitting outside their profile.
Can we implement this?
No,
Why?
because here also here the disadvantages are more than the previous two, because here as Mohammed said we have 420 types of joints, types of organ fittings, which we need to manufacture each collet, unique collet for each size. Manufacturing the collet using precision machining methods is very difficult, and cost is also involved is very high, and hence
Rejected.
and the fourth and the best solution what we have identified is to use innovative step type electrode to offset the electrode position.
Can we implement this?
Yes, because we have matched all the criteria as explained by Anupama in the previous slide. So here the ease of implementation is very easy as a plug-and-play system. It's an innovative solution, cater all the site length requirements and can cater to all range of fitting outside diameter, low cost and low maintenance, and hence
Accepted. See, in the journey, we should identify where the speed breakers are. So, in our journey of quality circle, we went on to foresee what probable resistance we can foresee from various stakeholders. We have involved all the key stakeholders like welders, subcontractors, production supervisors. We understood their concern and they explained our problem statement and solution to them. Having connecting to the bottom line of the company, they have understood the requirement and they move forward. With that, we gain confidence to move forward to trial implementation.
Here we have used a PDCA cycle taking as a initial phases plan, and we have planned finalized electrode design, and we have studied 5 sizes and finalized the trials, and we have planned quality control and LED checks. We have divided among our team members and made them responsible for each activity.
In two phases, we finalize the offset electrode and undertake welding with the 5 different sizes and found satisfactory in all quality checks. These are the sample pictures of first one is the designed offset electrode, second one is trial setup of offset electrode, third one is after completion of offset electrode.
Conducting the test, we found all the tests were satisfactory using offset electrode as compared to the standard electrode. And after that, we have implemented that in the shop floor for trial purpose for 15 days. We got good result, but we faced one challenge where there was some vibration observed in the offset electrode. We changed the offset electrode clamping methodology from screwing type to molding type, which helped us solve the problem.
The successful implementation of trials have made us confident and we went on to regular implementation. And this is the SOP which we prepared for welding and welder instruction note also revised. These are the photographs differencing standard electrode and offset electrode.
And after successful regular implementation, we monitored for 6 months how the orbital welding increasing our automation. So upon orbital welding implementation, you can see the spike in the right side, which clearly says that the orbital welding helped us to improve the automation percentage from 21.2 to 41.3%.
We have several intangible benefits here like customer satisfaction, less strain on the workman, improved skill for critical scenarios, and we have several appreciations from our internal customers as well as from the unit head.
As we need to sustain the solution which we developed, we went on to follow up and review, and we have interacted with various stakeholders and identified that 8 issues were identified and all the 8 issues were resolved.
And we can see our achievement with respect to the plan.
These are the 12 steps we have used in this quality circle journey along with these tools. And these are the business impacts.
So with respect to productivity, there is a 43% increase in utilization of orbital welding and resulting to 70% reduction in cycle time per weld joint.
With respect to cost, using this new method, we were able to save 6.9 lakhs of rupees.
In terms of quality, we have achieved 96% in first time right.
With respect to safety, 0 incidents happened and automation contributed to safer work environment.
Our team Samyukt journey continues with the next project being selected for the next year, serial number 6. We thank management, seniors and the jury members of QCFI Vizag chapter for supporting us throughout the journey. Thank you.
Thank you.
In your solution, you said collets, your customer
one of the alternate solution what we have identified.
Collet is expanding one.
No, the collet is not the
Is
expanded.
it a strict collet or?
No, it's a split collet, but it is a fixed collet. Like it is made of a material, preferably titanium.
Okay.
So because of the heat generated by the welding, it should not.
It has got a.
Yes, it has got a thickness of 0.1. Both college has a play of 0.1 mm. So up to 0.2 mm side variations in the connecting item it can accommodate. There is a wire cutting available in the college.
Beyond point, you cannot
Yes.
use the collet.
Yes. If we have to manufacture the collet, we need to go for electro discharge machining, so which is very high in cost.
And in our aim, the target is that we were at 20% automation.
Yes.
And you targeted for 80%.
40%.
How did you measure 20%, 80%?
20% is the measurement will be done like this: the number of joints welded by the automatic and number of joints welded by manual. So before the implementation, out of 100 joints, 20 joints were welded by this machine and 80 manual. So after the implementation, we could able to do 40 joints.
And the joints are helping for your automation.
Yes.
Because
So
of our
increase the automation.
because of our improvement, the machine scope enhanced.
And this is our management target to have a target. Every year they give target to us to increase the automation. So last year it was 40%.
Where is the application?
They are not our platforms. They are under our platforms. Like marine platform ships, which work underwater.
All the piping systems, cooling systems, oil systems, all the piping which are available for that, we are carrying out a welding
In
using
the
the same.
beginning we mentioned some 30,000 pipes are there. There are more than 65,000 welding joints which we have installed. So
Were there any safety issues before?
this doesn't involve any safety related issues, sir, because this is related to automation. Environment of workman also is avoided.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
In manual welding, sometimes because of the manual intervention,
Because of the different kind of OLX and fittings, there would be a T, elbow or wall. To maneuver around the wall or T, it may lead to some kind of collision also while using manual welder. He has to take care. While using the orbital system, we are able to avoid this kind of risks, sir.
Like increasing automation has helped us avoiding any of the safety issues.
this is the pipelines. This is a typical marine platform. These are some of the pipelines. This is how the system looks like.
And this is the scope of work.
Scope of work, it is the result after the
No,
implementation.
this is the initial
Initial, sir.
initial sir.
Before implementation, sir, this was the picture.
Same draft is issued after the implementation. All the parameters.
So you may see before implementation, this is the level of automation which we are doing out of so many joints being welded. These are the number of joints welded, this is the automation. And now the automation, number of automation has gone up based on the welding. So the summary is shown here.
This is understood. Draft material shows different parameters. Those are my ways, other things here. Yes, no, yes, sure. Before the
So that is actually the
So that is actually the
Yeah.
overall scope. man.
Overall scope in a board.
Yeah, in a board. So let us say there are 30,000 pipes. So उसमें 68% whatever value comes, that those are the stainless steel.
stainless steel. So our major focus was on stainless steel
Major
automation.
focus
That's how we
because
selected
stainless steel contributes to
instead of
70%.
copper and tin. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, हम
UCFL research chamber, sir.
yes, sir.
लर्निंग बहुत अच्छा है देखने को पता चल रहा है बट देयर इज स्टिल सम स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आर आल्सो मुझे एक बेसिक चीज बताइए व्हाट इज वेल्डिंग
Sir, welding is joining of two metals with the without application of heat and pressure. When-
व्हाट इज ऑर्बिटल वेल्डिंग
So orbital welding is an automatic welding machine. process. It's an autogeneous process and heterogeneous process. So orbital welding, wherein basically it belongs to the TIG family, sir, GTW family. So where the automation of the welding traction electrode rotates around the weld pool automatically instead of manually maneuvering the torch.
That is the difference.
Yes, sir.
In other case, the electrode is static.
Yes.
In orbital, electrode is
Dynamic.
dynamic. And और क्या difference है normal welding and orbital welding में?
The setup time, sir. In normal welding, we need to do setup of both the pipes and do the welding. And in case of orbital welding, no need
A
to do
particular
the
gas is being used in orbital welding. कौन सा gas?
Argon, sir.
वही आएगा.
Because of the shielding and purging requirement. If you are not shielding it properly, so there may be chances of welding defects like porosity.
तो argon क्यों?
Argon is an inert gas, sir. Inert gas.
Inert gas topic में तो rest other gases are
Sir,
also.
argon, helium, argon, krypton, xenon, वो series of inert gases में helium has become very scarce.
ये जल्दी आयोनाइज हो जाता है.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because of the ionization potential of helium.
Our initiation is easy with argon.
इसमें QC में अभी प्रेजेंटेशन में आ जाते हैं क्योंकि आपने जो प्रॉब्लम डेफिनेशन स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था ना
Yes, sir.
वो निकालिए उसमें कुछ गलती है ये सब रेक्टिफाई कर दीजिए बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था और पूरा 100% एकदम कंप्लीट हो गया
Yes, sir.
definition of the
First slide.
फर्स्ट लाइन
Into
आपने
into
जो प्रॉब्लम दिखाया है प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट एक दिया है नेक्स्ट चलिए स्लाइड शटर में जाइए मैं बता देता हूँ
Definition of all, sir. You are 20.
नहीं डेफिनेशन सिलेक्शन
selection of problem.
सिलेक्शन में आपने कौन सा प्रॉब्लम को सिलेक्ट किया वो मुझे देखना है।
Sir, all the problems.
हाँ तो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट
हाँ, ये-
ये इसमें क्या लिखे हैं
Sir, actually, pipe to fitting joints is the one which is creating
अच्छा,
problem.
ठीक है ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ये आपने लिखा है ये आपका प्रॉब्लम है
Yes, sir.
आप क्या लिखे हैं फिर से पढ़िए उसे
Yes,
You
sir.
can read it. You read it. Loudly.
Pipe to fitting joints automation not possible due to very low strike length.
अच्छा ये स्टेटमेंट में क्या है
So when we did
ये
this,
स्टेटमेंट में एक प्रॉब्लम है एक सॉल्यूशन भी
correct, sir.
Yes.
The problem is low automation.
हाँ, solution है इसका length बढ़ाओ.
Straight line.
आपको प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करना है ना
Yes.
तो उसमें ये चीज को डाले आप
Okay, sir.
ड्यू टू लो स्ट्रेट
We
लेंथ
have to tell only not possible.
ये तुम्हारा सॉल्यूशन पार्ट हुआ
Understood. I understood what the point. ठीक है, sir.
देन नेक्स्ट कम गो टू योर कॉजल इफेक्ट डायग्राम कॉज एंड इफेक्ट डायग्राम इसमें राइट हैंड साइड क्या है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है
Sir, this is the problem statement which we are working on.
ये क्या है
Cause and क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Effect, cause and effect, sir.
So that box is for
This
effect.
is the effect, sir.
You are trying to only effect, not the process. That is what EV is.
Okay, understood.
इसमें actually नीचे में ऐसे किया था हमारा.
स्मॉल थिंग्स इससे बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन इज वेरी गुड
Thank you, sir.
टेक इट अप
Thank you, sir.
बहुत अच्छा है थैंक यू
Thank you.
Actually,